and arrive for the contemplative part of our practice for meditation. So just allow yourself the space to go within. If you choose, close your outer eyes and open the inner awareness and just get comfortable right where you are. Feel your feet grounded on the floor. Raise the crown of the head high. In your own way, engage the practice. And if it's new to you, just connect to the breath. As if you were riding the breath in and out of the body, dropping from the head to the heart, connecting with the inhale, lengthening the exhale. There is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here, present, right now. So we lean in to the stillness. A still mind follows a still body. So we simply notice the stillness. And with a deep inhale, bringing the crown of the head high, and on the exhale, rolling the shoulders low, and just relaxing into this time of contemplative silence together. Bringing our attention and our intention back to this time and space. In gratitude for the lives we've been given and the time and the form we give this life. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. Namaste.